Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix EA Sports NHL 26 crashing, not launching, lagging, freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PlayStation. So this is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just need to open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, now check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next solution is to rebuild database. For that, first switch off your PS5, hold down the power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode, and here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. So after this, check if it fixes the problem. If not, next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, first go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and delete saved data. After this, check if the issue is resolved. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, open settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved or not. Next method is to change language on console. So for that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here select language in the left sidebar. Now select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is fixed or not. Next method is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. For that, first highlight the game, then press options button. Now select check for update option. If there is any update available, click on update and follow the instructions to update your game. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, first open settings on your PS5. Now click on user and accounts. Move down to others on left panel. Now select restore licenses. After that, select EA Sports NHL 26, then click on restore and at last click on yes. So once done, check if the problem is fixed. Next solution is to check PS5 overheating. So you should make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will surely help to fix the issue on PS5 and you can play the game further without any problem. Next solution is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, open settings, then click on user and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check if the error is fixed. Next solution is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, click on system software update and settings, and next select update system software if any update is available, and finally select update using internet option. So after updating the software on your PS5, now check if the problem is fixed. Next, to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on a PS5 menu. Now select save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select EA Sports NHL 26 or your game. After this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to reset your console settings. So for that, open settings on your PS5, then move to system. After that, select reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings and at last select restore option. So after this, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall EA Sports NHL 26 game. For that, first highlight EA Sports NHL 26 on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it, and finally restart your PS5 and install EA Sports NHL 26 again to check for the error. If this doesn't resolve the problem, then the last option is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. I have already provided the link in the description. Just go through it and explain the issue you are coming across, and hopefully the support team will help to resolve the issue and you can play the game without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.